Hello and welcome, remote work warriors, to the BT Plus channel. I am absolutely pumped today to share the secrets that will change the way you think about work. Forget the daily grind, forget the traffic jams, forget those dull office cubicles. Today, we're talking about the absolute power of working remotely. Are you dreaming of a life where you can work while sipping your favorite coffee on the beach, or maybe just lounging in your comfy pajamas? This isn't just a dream. It's the new reality, and I'm here to give you the roadmap. We are going to unveil 5 incredibly easy and simple remote jobs that almost anyone can start doing from home today. These are jobs that don't require complex university degrees or light years of experience. All you need is determination, an internet connection, and a desire to launch yourself into success. Get your notebooks ready, take notes, and let's start our adventure into the world of financial and professional independence. Job 1. The CEO of your schedule. Virtual assistant. Let's start with the king. The virtual assistant, or VA. Some people think it's just a remote secretary, but it is so much more. You're not just an assistant. You're the secret engine driving the success of any entrepreneur or small business. It's super simple. If you are good at organization, if you can reply to an email, and if you can use a digital calendar, you are qualified. Businesses are looking for people who can save them time, not necessarily experts in quantum physics. Email management. Can you imagine the volume of messages an entrepreneur receives daily? You're here to filter the chaos, reply to simple inquiries, and schedule important responses. You are the savior. Basic social media management. No, you won't be asked to be a marketing guru. You might just be asked to schedule pre-made posts or reply to basic comments. Data entry and simple research, searching for competitors' prices, compiling a list of contacts, or transferring info from a PDF to an Excel sheet. It's routine work, but it's vital. Don't just focus on the basic tasks. Specialize. If you're good at simple design using Canva, market yourself as a creative VA. If you speak fluent English, focus on foreign clients. Hot launch platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, and also specialized Facebook groups for VAs. People are looking for you specifically there. Potential success story. Imagine starting with one client doing email management for $10 an hour. After 6 months, you have 4 clients and charge $20 an hour. You've just doubled your income while working from your house. Job 2. The fast typing machine. Data entry specialist second. The job that forms the digital backbone of businesses. Data entry specialist. Maybe it doesn't sound glamorous, but it is an incredibly stable and reliable source of income. There's no complex math, no negotiating, no marketing. You are required to have 2 core things: accuracy and speed. If you type well on the keyboard and can focus on details, you are pure gold for companies. Data verification, making sure that customer names, phone numbers, or addresses are correct and up to date. Invoice processing, transferring information from paper or scanned invoices into the company's electronic system. This keeps businesses running smoothly. The most important tool, Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Learn how to use simple functions like sum or average, and you will be ahead of 80% of the competition. The only challenge here is the routine, but you can overcome it. Pro tip: invest just 15 minutes daily in training yourself on typing speed and accuracy. The faster and more accurate you are, the more projects you can complete in less time, and that means more money. Where to find work? Plenty of temporary gigs are available on freelance platforms, but also look for companies with long-term contracts for data entry. Stability is the keyword here. Job 3. The friendly face of the company. Remote customer service agent number 3. The job that is the beating heart of any brand. Remote customer service. This is where you can be an everyday hero for people from behind your screen. Simply put, most companies prefer to train their employees on their specific products rather than hiring an expert beforehand. If you have excellent listening skills, patience and confidence in handling problems, a quiet room, and a good headset, you're ready to join the global customer support army. Types of support. It's not just over the phone anymore. Now there's email support and chat support. These options are incredibly comfortable for those who don't prefer talking all day. Flexibility. Many major global companies hire part-time or flexible full-time agents to cover different time zones. You can choose hours that fit your schedule. Your superpower here is empathy. Remember, when a customer calls you, they are usually frustrated or upset. Your mission is not just to solve the problem, but to turn their negative experience into a positive one. This skill is valued with money in a job market. Where to start searching? Look on job sites for remote customer support or work-from-home agent. Tech startups are a goldmine for remote support jobs. Remember, the company will provide all the necessary training on its product. Trust your ability to learn quickly. Job 4. Turning sound into gold. Transcription Specialist. We have reached job number 4. Transcription, or even captioning. This work is massively in demand with the current media explosion, from podcasts to university lectures. If you can understand what is being said and you can type it out, you're already doing this job. Helping tools. Don't worry about listening to every single word. Most platforms now provide AI transcribers, and your main job is proofreading and correction to ensure 100% accuracy. Typing speed. It might be slow at first, but with every hour of transcription, your typing speed and accuracy will improve dramatically. This is an investment in a lifelong skill. Don't stay at the basic level. There are specialties that pay much higher. Medical transcription. If you are familiar with medical terms, this field brings in excellent money. Legal transcription requires very high accuracy and some familiarity with legal terminology, but the pay corresponds to the responsibility. Launch platforms. Websites like Rev, GoTranscript, and TranscribeMe are the perfect starting point to gain experience and build your profile. Take some short qualification tests and launch yourself. This work gives you the flexibility to decide when and how much you work. Job 5. The Paid Critic, Website and App Tester. And now for job number 5, which might be the most fun of all. Website and App Tester. This job allows you to be critical and get paid for it. Why is it so easy? Companies pay you to use their sites or apps before launch, identify bugs, and document your experience. What exactly do you do? The platform gives you a specific task, such as find the red color item, add it to the cart, and try to pay with a dummy card. You record your screen as you take these steps and talk out loud about your experience. Required skills. The ability to express your thoughts clearly and attention to detail. No complex coding or design is required. Does the pay justify it? This work is ideal for quick side income. The rate? You are often paid a fixed amount for a test that lasts 15 to 20 minutes. That's excellent income for the time spent. Guaranteed launch platforms, sites like User Testing, TestBirds, and Try My UI. Register, complete a short qualification test, and start receiving tasks. Important note, don't rely on it as your main income initially, but as an excellent source to improve your financial situation or cover extra expenses. This work makes you part of the process of building future products. Conclusion and the BT Plus Challenge. So, dear viewers, those were 5 golden gateways to entering the world of remote work. Virtual assistant, data entry specialist, customer support, transcription, and website tester. Every single one of these jobs is a real start toward financial and professional independence. Remember one important thing: nothing is easy without effort. These jobs are easy to access, but they require commitment, professionalism, and a willingness to learn. Don't just watch the video, start today. Choose one job, search for its platforms, and create your profile. The BT Plus Weekly Challenge. I want every one of you to choose one of these 5 jobs and set up your profile on a freelance platform within the next week. Share with us in the comments, which of these 5 jobs did you decide to start with? And why? Your interaction inspires me and helps others. If you enjoyed this comprehensive and exciting guide, don't forget to hit the like button to motivate us for more, and press subscribe and activate the notification bell to get everything new from the BT Plus channel. Thank you for your valuable time, and I wish you a successful and fruitful remote work journey. See you in the next episode.